Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have another Cybertruck to share with you guys that we just finished customizing at our shop here in Los Angeles, California. As you can see, this is another wrapped Cybertruck. This is a very popular trend right now. Everybody wants their Cybertrucks wrapped, and this customer chose a color that we have never done before, and I'm really pleased to share with you 3M matte gray aluminum. This color laid up really nicely on the Cybertruck. It's very much in the theme of what Cybertruck is all about, but you don't have to worry about fingerprints anymore. Cleanup is very easy, and that's because we wrapped it, and the customer also gained a color change. A way to be unique, to look different than every other Cybertruck that's out there. And trust me, folks, they are on the streets of LA. Tesla is ramping up deliveries. It's very exciting times for all of us. But back to this Cybertruck, as you can see, we did wrap all the exterior panels, and now it looks totally different, but yet still very special and unique and very much within the Cybertruck theme. The customer wanted to go ahead and take the exterior transformation one step further, and that is to change the wheels. Now, he really likes the 20-inch tire that came with the Cybertruck. He wanted to stay within that size. He did not want to upsize or downsize, and the perfect solution really was our brand new TCT wheels, and they come two different ways. Let me share this with you. As you can see right now, this particular wheel in the front has an Aero cover on it, and I love the way this Aero cover looks. It's actually my preferred way to enjoy this wheel, but you could do it two different ways. These Aero covers easily come off, and behind the Aero cover, just like Tesla, there's another wheel, an actual wheel design. So you can enjoy our TCT wheels two different ways, with or without the Aero covers on it. You could actually take it one step further and mix it up a little bit, meaning have the Aero cover in the front and no Aero cover in the rear. Very kind of race sport inspired for that type of a look. So the wrap's done, the wheels are on, and lastly, you have to tint the windows on a Cybertruck. With the world's largest automotive windshield, the roof panel, and all the glass all around, our Cybertrucks are going to get really hot. And you know what? The best way to go ahead and combat that is to apply 3M ceramic IR film. This film will effectively cool the interior by up to 15 degrees on those hot summer days and give you a 99% UVA and UVB rejection of rays to protect your skin, protect your interior, and for a pretty cool tinted look. This vehicle is all done. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to hear some comments below. What do you guys think about this new wrap color? And also, what are your thoughts about the TCT 20-inch wheels? Do you like them with or without the Aero covers on? Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I have so much more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.